morning, everybody.
Good morning.
Today we are going for our math lesson. We are going to practice adding word problems. Who wants to read this for me? Let me actually pick. Oh, Jaden, see, your hand was up. Go ahead, Jaden.
Adding means we put things together.
Yes, adding means we are putting things together. So I want everyone to show me their two hands. Everyone participate. And we are going to be putting together, right? So right here, just a little picture. 2 plus 2, you know what's the answer? 4, right? Because they put this 2 and this 2 together and they made what? 4, exactly. So, today students will be able to use their problem solving skills, add 3-digit numbers, and practice solving word problems. Our expectations are, what is this? Voice quiet. Eyes are looking. Ears are listening. And
Calm.
yes, your body is calm, so you are going to be focused on the lesson. Okay, so I wanted to go over this before we go into our lesson. Some of our friends think that math is only used in the classroom. Is that true? No, where else can math be used? Raise your hand if you want to share. Abraham.
For homework, we do math.
Okay, for homework you do math, so you're using it at home. But where else can you use it? Arizona?
You can use it when you're going to pay for something.
Yeah, when you're going to pay for something. So at the stores. Anybody else? One more? Anybody want to share? Luna. At home, you're right. So we use math everywhere, correct? So today when we're using word problems, learning about word problems, I want you to remember that we also use word problems when we are shopping, when we are planning a trip, when we are cooking. So here's a little example. Who's been here before? South Coast Plaza. Yeah, most of you, right? That's your local mall. Okay. So it says, actually, I want one of you to read it. Let's see. Abraham, can you read the example for me?
Yes. I have to buy 3 new dresses from the store. I need to get 3 matching pairs of shoes. How many new items will I need?
Yes, so that's just a little example. That's easy, right? So I need 3 dresses and 3 shoes. If I'm putting the 3 and 3 together, how many is that? 6. And I just did a word problem if I was at the store. So today we are going to be adding 3-digit numbers. So when we're doing our 3-digit numbers, we are going to use our place value. We have already learned about place value. What is this?
100.
Yes, but we need to keep that in our brain. We cannot forget it because some of us, when we add, we stack the numbers on top of each other, but some of us need pictures, right? So if we remember our place value, we can do pictures when trying to add. So let's go over a little quick review. On your whiteboards, everyone should have their whiteboard and marker ready. I want you to write the number 479. So everybody go ahead and write it. Everybody. And then with your partner, I want you to tell your partner what is in the hundreds, what is in the tens, and what is in the ones. You're going to have 1 quick minute to share. Ready? Good morning, Zaya. So talk, I should hear talking. You're telling your partner what's in the hundreds, what's in the tens, and what's in the ones.
4, 7, 9, easy.
Jaden, if you don't have a partner, it looks like Eric doesn't either. Up, Jaden, we only have less than a minute now. Thank you. I love how you two are sharing and talking. Abraham and Travis, nice. I see you sharing. I don't hear talking. Nice, Damien and Ariella, I see you sharing. Nice. Adrian, are you sharing with Nathan?
No.
Nice. Okay, so Jaylene is not here. Luna, can you tell me what is in the hundreds place? What number? In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Sharing is done. Okay, Luna, can you go ahead and tell me again what is in the hundreds place? 4. What does that represent? What value? 400. You're right. Nathan, can you tell me what is in the tens place? 7. And what does that represent? What is the value? 70. Perfect. And Esteban, there's Esteban. What is in the ones?
The ones, 2.
Okay, so let's look over here. So we know this is our hundreds, tens. What is in our ones?
9.
9. There you go, Esteban. You were a little confused. Okay? So you guys were correct. The 4 was in the hundreds, the 7 in the tens, and the 1s in the 9 in the ones. Sorry. Okay. So now we are going to look at a word problem. Okay? Some of you have a paper in front of you, so it makes it easier to follow along. Some of you do not. If you have the paper, it's like this on your desk. I want you to flip it over now, and we're going to follow along. Look at this picture. Notice how she's focused. She's following along. This is how you should be if you have the paper in front of you. So, who wants to read this for me? I'll take a volunteer. Katie.
Esteban was having a party. He needs to buy blank chocolate concha. He also needs to buy blank strawberry concha. How many conchas does he need to buy?
Perfect. Thank you for reading. Who or what are we talking about in this question? Jaden. Esteban. Okay. Who else? So that's who. What are we talking about? Jason. Conchas. So now we know that the question is asking about the conchas, correct? So blank, blank. Let's read it again with our numbers. Who wants to read it to me with the numbers? Kevin, nice and loud because you're in the back.
Oh, yeah. Esteban was having a party. He needs to buy 103 chocolate conchas. He also needs to buy 215 strawberry conchas. How many conchas does he need to buy altogether?
Nice. Thank you, Kevin. Okay. So if you have this paper, you have blank spots. So on the top one, you are going to write 103. And on the bottom one, you are going to write 215. You're going to fill in your word problem. Okay? So, what facts do we have? I'm going to go back to the slide, but I want you to think about that question. What do we know? So facts is another word for information. So facts and information are the same. So the question's asking, what do we know? What does the problem tell us? What do we know? Who can raise their hand and tell me? Esteban. You don't feel comfortable with that seat? Okay, you can get a different chair, my friend. Let me ask Katie. What do we know, Katie?
There's we need to buy chocolate conchas and strawberry conchas.
You're right. He needs to buy chocolate, conchas, and strawberry conchas. Do we know how many chocolate he needs to buy? I'm looking at the problem. I think it tells me. How many chocolate conchas does he need to buy? Zelda. How many chocolate conchas does he need to buy?
You need to buy 215 and 100. Wait, together?
So how many, listen to the question, how many chocolate conchas does he need to buy? It's here, my friends. I need you to.
103.
103. Perfect. And how many strawberry conchas does he need to buy?
200.
Go ahead.
Wait, you're asking this?
It's okay. Go ahead.
Oh,
You said it. Say it again.
215.
Yep. 215. So that is the information or the facts that we know. So we know we need 103, 215. What am I missing right here? Zaya. A plus, you're right. Because I'm putting them what? Together. I'm putting 103 chocolate conchas together with 215. So I want everyone to show me. Show me 103. Everybody. 215. What am I doing with them? Putting them together, adding. Yes, my friends. So, we already answered this, right? What facts do you have? What information? Oh, we kind of went ahead. Do you agree that this problem is adding? We just talked about it. Do we agree that this problem is adding? I want to see thumbs up or thumbs down. Nice. Why is this problem adding? We talked about it in different words. Who thinks they know or wants to share? How is this problem adding? Let's go back to it. How is this problem adding? Arizona.
Because it says usually when it says in all, how many in all, it usually means we're adding.
Oh, you're perfect. That's a good answer. We didn't even talk about our key words. So Arizona said usually when it says in all, right here it doesn't say in all, but what does it say? All together, that means adding. You're right, Arizona. Good thinking.
Oh, can I say the answer?
Go ahead.
It's
Oh, wait, no, don't say the answer. I thought you were going to tell me something else about that. Okay. So, now that we know our numbers, we will solve using our bases at our desk. So, on your desk, you all have your blocks. What does this represent?
100.
Hundreds. 1 second. What does this represent? Tens. And how about these? Ones. Perfect. So now at your desk, using your base 10 blocks and your hundreds and your ones, I want you to solve 103 plus 215. Okay? So you can work with your partner. Go ahead and try. So you're going to pull out your blocks. You guys are sharing all together. Yes, of course.
Wait,
And I borrowed yours over here, my friends. So here's yours back.
wait. That. Easy though. Okay. Wait,
Jaden, you can sit right there next
wait,
to
how do
Zaya.
you do it? And I write it.
Thank you, Jaden.
Okay, I got the 100 and 90. Okay.
So I'm only going to give you 2 minutes. So I should hear talking, I should hear friends adding.
Wait, do you have to do that?
You're
supposed to do it
Look it up.
after.
You don't know your numbers, right? I'm going to write the numbers
Look,
here,
I'm
my
gonna give you
friends.
Let me give you this stuff. So it's 300 and
Yes, so you're using the blocks. You're using your blocks. Sometimes on the test, it's going to ask you to draw it.
Okay, done. So, here.
So you're adding 103 plus 215. So there's 100. And we need 3,
Don't
right?
you dare say it.
So there's 103. Plus we need 215. So now we'll need what? 209. 15.
I gotta guess this.
Perfect. And what's in my 5? Oh, I gave you the answer. What's in my 1? 5. So I'm gonna put 5 more. Right?
Bro, look at the camera.
So now how many do I have to get? 300.
That's on camera. So you got the answer right. Wait. Bro, that's 80. What do you mean 81?
Okay, and 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everybody's hands on your head. Stop what you're doing. Hands on your head.
I don't want to put it on my head.
Now I want you to write your answer on your whiteboard and then show it to me. Okay? Some of you already did. Perfect. So if you did it, show it. Start showing. Morrison, listen. If you did it, show the whiteboard. Nice.
Is this the right answer?
Nice. Zelda up.
Oh.
Nice. Perfect. Okay, whiteboard's down. Okay, listen, my friends. I have something important to tell you. Some of you don't like using these, right? Because you guys, math just comes easy and you can look at it and you can add in your head sometimes, or you just like to stack math. When I say stack math, this is what I'm talking about. When you put 103 plus 215 and you stack it. This is called stack math. Some of you like to do that. But when you're taking a test, sometimes the teacher or whoever's giving you the test wants to see if you're really understanding. So sometimes they'll ask you to draw a visual. Remember yesterday when we were working in the math workbook, we had to draw a visual? So that's why we practice this. In case the test asks us to draw a visual or to show proof, we can use these. Got it? Okay, so now I'm going to do it up here just in case some of my friends didn't see. So I'll start with my 103. How many hundreds do I have? It's okay, just say it. 1. Okay. So 1. How many tens do I have? 0. And how many 3s? Oh, I gave you that. How many 1s? 3. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. Now I'm gonna do my 215. How many hundreds? Just say it, just say it. 2. Right, so these are my hundreds. Okay. How many tens do I have right here? 1, perfect. Okay, and how many 1s? I almost gave it to you again. 5, perfect. 2, oh, that's not the same shade of orange. Okay, so help me count my hundreds. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, let's try again. 1, 2, 3. There you go. How many tens? 1. Help me count my 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What? Don't add extra. So your answer should be, help me say this together. Not 318, it's 318. Say it with me. 318. We have to get out of the habit of adding and. You don't say it like that. It's 318. Got it? Sit down, Adrian. Thank you. Thank you to my friends who are looking at me. Perfect. Thank you to my friends who are not talking, who are not drawing on their whiteboards. That is being very respectful, and I appreciate it very much. Thank you, thank you, thank you. So, let me take that off. Hold on, guys. Technology sometimes. Okay, not yet. So I wanted to show you something. You all have your Chromebooks, and we're going to get those in a little bit. I'm going to show you this really cool. There you go. So this is called Didax. Today you will have the opportunity to use it. Some of you have used it in 2nd grade. Some of you, this is brand new. I need all eyes up here, please. Thank you to those who are focused. Thank you, Jaden. Thank you, Morrison. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Okay, so first, I'm going to cross out my thousands, right? Because I'm not using my thousands. So what is my first number I have right here, Adrian? What is this number? 103. So I have 103 plus 215. So this, when you're at home, and some of you don't have these at home, right? Some of you can draw them, but some of you might want to use your Chromebook because we use our Chromebook as a resource for learning. So this Didax is going to be in your Google Classroom, and like I said, later we will have the opportunity to practice it, but right now I'm just showing you. So if I have 103, I have 100, 0 on my tens, and then I have 3. 1, 2, 3. If I have 215, I'm going to call a friend to help me. Emily, where's Emily? Okay, Emily, how many hundreds do I have in 215? Right here. So how many hundreds do I have? 2. Okay, so Emily, come stand up. And you're going to help me drag 2 hundreds into my hundreds. Right? Hundreds. Thank you. And one more. Perfect. Okay, let me call another friend. Thank you, Emily, for helping. Eric. Where is Eric? There's Eric. Eric, how many tens do I have? 1. Perfect, Eric. Come drag a 10 for me. Come on. You're going to drag the 10 for me. Perfect. And you did it into the 10s. And one more lucky friend. Melissa. Come up. How many 5s? Oh my gosh, I did it again. How many 1s do I have, Melissa? 5. Perfect. So drag 5 1s. Help her count. Uh-oh. Let's see. Okay, hold on. One second. Okay, go ahead. Isn't it going? Okay, try. Let me see. What's going on? I don't know what happened to it. So it's okay, Melissa, you can still help me. So you're going to draw 5 1s. So you can just do 5 1s. It's because your finger touched it. So you have 4. How many more do you need to get to 5? Okay, perfect. Thank you, Melissa. Okay, so how many hundreds in total do I have now? Go ahead, just say it. 3. Perfect. How many tens? 1. And oh no, they left. 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and how many ones?
8.
8, perfect. So what was my answer?
318.
318. Remember, there's no and. So say it again. 318. Perfect. So now you guys know how to use the online manipulatives too. So when you're solving at home, you can draw like we did earlier. You can use these if some of you have them, or you can use your online tool to help you. So now we're going to take a little brain break. So no, get up. Who can read it for me? What are we doing? Ariella.
15 silent jumping.
Yes, notice silent. So you're going to just stand up. You're going to do 15. You're going to count in your head or count. No, yeah, actually just in your head because it's silent, right? And then you're going to sit back down. So everybody up. I want everyone to do it because we've been sitting for a long time. Let's wake our bodies back up. Go ahead at your own pace. So 15 and sit down. Go ahead. Nice, nice. Esteban, jump. Wake your body up. Nice. I like how you did 15 and sat down, Jason.
I did 20.
Nice.
Too young.
Perfect. You guys did it. Very, very
I think
proud
I
of
did
you.
20.
Do you feel awake now? Did that wake you back up a little bit? Okay. So now I knew you guys would like it. I never. Go ahead. I'll give it about 5 seconds. Okay, ready? And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Level 0. Level 0. Perfect. It's getting better. We'll get there. So yes, because I know I always hear you guys talk about ballerina cappuccina and chicken jockey. I never knew what ballerina cappuccina was.
Italian brain roll. Legendary.
I didn't know. I guess I'm too old. Okay, so now I'm going to call a friend. Okay. I know it's exciting, but we need to refocus. Ready? Everybody deep breath in. And out. One more. Ready? And out. Perfect. Okay. Morrison, can you read the question for me?
Nicole has
Nicole has
photos of ballerina cappuccino and blank photos of chicken jockey. How many photos does she have?
Some of you, if you don't know what photos is, I put a picture above so you can connect the idea. Photos is this. So when you take a picture, you can take a picture on your phone, with the camera. Those are called photos. Who or what are we talking about? Kevin.
Nicole.
Okay, Nicole is who we're talking about. Okay, nice. What are we talking about? Luna. Photos, you're right. So now we know we're talking about Nicole, and Nicole has photos. So what do you think we're going to be putting together? Photos, perfect. Now we're going to read it with our numbers. So, Melly, go ahead. Thank you to my friends who are sitting quietly.
Nicole has 123 photos of ballerina cappuccino
A little louder.
and
255.
photos of chicken jockey. How many photos does she have altogether?
Okay, perfect. I'm going to read it again because she read it a little soft. Nicole has 123 photos of ballerina cappuccina and 255 photos of chicken jockey. How many photos does she have all together. So, let me go to my little pin up here.
I wish I could record this.
How many photos of Ballerina Cappuccina are there? Kevin, how many photos of Ballerina Cappuccina are there?
123.
Perfect, Kevin. Okay, I want you guys to remember, if you don't know, what can you look back at? At the problem, yes, you're right. You don't have to think about the numbers because they're right here. Okay, so if you forget, just look up here. Okay. Erin, how many photos of Chicken Jockey does she have? Erin, we're focusing right here. You see what happens if you're talking to Adrian, you're not focused. How many photos of Chicken Jockey does Nicole have, Erin?
255.
Perfect. So she has 255. So now I know I'm adding 123 plus 255. Okay? So I'm gonna write that up here because you will have the chance to stack it if you would like. So I have 123 plus 255. Okay, so listen, you're going to have the chance to work on this problem with a partner. You're going to use DDAX, which is the one on your Chrome, or you can use your whiteboard to draw. You can use your whiteboard to stack, or you can use these. So whatever you feel comfortable with, right? Because we all learn different, my friends. Me personally, I like these. Some of you prefer doing it online. So whatever works best for you is what you're going to do. So don't get up quite yet. Let me show you. You're going to go onto your Chromebook. You're going to log into your Google Class, which you all know how to do already. And then you're going to click the first link. It's going to take you right to that if you want to use that. So I'm going to give you 2 minutes to get your Chromebook if you need your Chromebook. So get your Chromebook if you're going to be using it, and you're going to sign in. If you're going to be using your blocks, I want you to put blocks closer to you, and if you're going to use your whiteboard, just give me a second. Let's give our friends some time.
Wait, what was the number again?
Right there.
We're done.
We're done.
My friends, if you're working with a partner who also wants to use the Chromebook, you can just get one Chromebook. But if you want your own Chromebook, you can still get your own Chromebook. About 1 minute and 15 seconds. So Morrison, if you have a Chromebook, you want to start logging in. Thank you to my friends who are logging in. They're not wasting any time. Thank you to my friends who are pulling blocks closer to them. So, you're going to solve. You're going to choose. You want your whiteboard? Do you want your manipulative
Wait,
board?
keep those.
Just wait. About 45 seconds,
This
my
is
friends.
6. You already have one. I'm going to come around and pass you a paper. So if you had the concha paper, Yes,
I'm going to give you this paper so it's easier for you to follow along. Who else has a...
10 more seconds.
Wait, didn't you? Oh, never mind.
In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hands on your head. Stop what you're doing. Freeze. Perfect. So I passed my friends out the paper because some of our friends need the actual paper instead of reading it up here. So some of you have the paper now. I want you to write in the top square, you're going to write 123. And in your bottom square, you're going to write 215. The rest of my friends, you're going to now have, 1 second. You're going to now have 5 minutes, and remember, you're going to solve using any way you want. So go ahead, begin, work with a partner, so go ahead talking. I want to hear you guys sharing your answers with each other.
Okay. Wait, I forgot to write my answer. To be honest.
Nice, Abraham and Travis, I like how you're talking. Morrison, begin.
It's 378 and
Remember, the numbers are right here, my friends, because we're using our visual timer, so the numbers are here. Nice. I see some using the deducts. I see some using the blocks.
how come when we
So are you doing it? Okay.
how come when we have like more than 5 we
And then write your answer on your board. Oh, you already did. Nice. I like how focused my friends are. I like how if you're using the Chromebook, you're actually on DDAX and not doing other things. Good job.
that should make it make sense.
Good job, Owen.
Oh,
So if you already have your answer, go ahead and write it on your board, nice and big. So when we share it, I can see. Yes, big, so I can see it. But just the answer. Damien, if you're stacking, I just need to see your answer. Nice. Okay, so if you finish, go ahead and write your answer on your board, Esteban.
there we go. Now it makes sense. I'm gonna count.
You have about 2 minutes left, my friends. 2 minutes. So Jaden, you just got back from the bathroom. So we're solving now, either using DDAX, our whiteboard, or our manipulator. Okay, so you can use your Chromebook. Okay, so go ahead and sign in.
Look, I made it make sense.
So even if you're
Hey,
using
stop
DDAX, you
copying.
still need to write the answer on the whiteboard when we share so I can see. Abraham,
Nothing good. That's a
have a little less than
hamburger.
2 minutes. We are going to have to eat after this.
I'll hear myself. Wait, where's the sound?
We have a little over 1
Hey, did
minute,
you
my friends.
Girl, I moved mine up.
Nice, nice. I like how you just got back from the bathroom and you hopped right on it, Jaden.
And also just don't know sometimes. So you taught me
Look what I did with the fire.
About 20 seconds. So start finishing up. Start writing it on your whiteboard.
Wait.
10 seconds, my friends.
I'm writing it on my
In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hands on your head. Everybody freeze. Stop what you're doing. Hands on your head. Level voice goes back to 0. Thank you. Okay, grab your whiteboards and show me your answers. Nice.
I think it was
Perfect. I think I see everybody with the correct answer. Very nice. Okay, whiteboards down. Okay, I need level 0. I'm gonna give you 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Level 0. Thank you. So earlier I showed you deducts. I showed you drawing. So now I'm going to do my answer, stack math. Okay? So in my ones, right, I color coordinated for my friends who are still need a little help with their place value. What do I have in my ones? What is 5 plus 3? 8. So those are my ones. What is this? My what place? Place value. 10. And the answer is 7. Perfect. And this is my hundreds. And what is it? 3. Perfect. So I have, my answer is 378. Go ahead and repeat it. Yes. Because I added, right? 123. Show me 123. 255. And what did I do? I put them together. Perfect, my friends. So now, we solved. Okay, let's check. Ready? Arizona, I need level 0. All eyes on me. Thank you, Zelda. Thank you, Zaya. Yes, Jaden? Oh, it's okay. I'll pick it up after. Thank you. Thank you, Morrison, for looking up here. Thank you, everybody. Nice. Okay, so let's check. Let's just make sure. Did we use our problem-solving skills today?
Yeah.
Yes, right? Because we were working on the word problem. We pulled out our numbers. We figured out who or what they're talking about. Did we add 3-digit numbers today? Thumbs up if we added 3-digit numbers. Yeah, right. I should see everyone's thumbs up, right? Because these are 3-digit numbers. And did we practice solving word problems? Thumbs up. Nice. Okay. So, we are going to go to PE. 1 second.
Yes, ma'am.
After. So I'm going to give you an exit tickets. You are going to solve the problem using however you want. And then we will be going to PE. I want you to notice. No, I'm still talking. Eyes up here. What does this mean? Yes. So do you think you'll be working with a partner or alone?
Hello.
Alone. Perfect. Okay.